So we can break apart the hit me if I seem a little unimpressed with this. An antisocial pessimist, but usually I don't mess with this, and I know.
Hey friends, welcome back to Data Preparation Challenge series in Power BI. Now let's see what's our third challenge is. So we have an Excel file called ratings Excel file. So you can also download this file from the description below. So in that we have one table here. So we have four columns mainly here. So we have product code, cost and price and rating here. So we have some product code for the products, and we have the rating that the customer made rating here. So you can see the customer made two ratings here, average and okay, and somewhere for some rows we have one rating over here. So what we need to do is here for this challenge, we need to count the rating here. We need to count these ratings, and that is how many ratings are there, how many average ratings are there, how many okay ratings are there, and how many excellent ratings are there, because I want to calculate the count of customers who made these ratings. And also I want to sort this based on like I want the excellent to be on the top here. Then I want I want good here. Then I want okay rating. Then I want average. Then I want bad. Now let's see how we can do this in Power BI. So what I'll do, I'll go to this Power BI and let's import our file here. I'll click on import data from Excel, and this is my file. I'll click on open. Now let's select our table here instead of sheets. You can see here. Now let's click on transform data here. Now you can see we got product code, cost and price here. Now what I'll do, I'll split this column based on the delimiter here. You can see there is comma here. I'll go to this split column option here under the home tab. Now I'll click on this and you can see it as a by delimiter by number of characters. So I'll select by delimiter here. So I'll click on OK. Now you can see we got the two columns here, rating 1 and rating 2. So here we have OK, average and this. So before that what I'll do, I'll make a copy of this table. So I'll change this. Let's make a copy of this. So I'll make a duplicate of this and I'll rename this to, let's say, this is my products ranking sorry products ratings fix. So from here let's select this ratings column. I'll click on split column again and I'll select by delimiter and I'll click on OK. Now we have two columns here, rating 1 and rating 2. Why? Because in the previous this table you can see, so we have average, then comma, then we have space and OK. So that's why we splitted this row based on the delimiter, that is comma. That's why we got two column here, and here we have only one row one entry here, that is OK. We don't have the comma here, that's why we got null here. You can see here we got null here. So what I'll do, I'll delete this because I don't want this. What I want is I want the OK, then I want average, then I want the OK under this under the next row here. Now let's see how we can do this. I don't want this columns, these two columns. I'll delete this column. So I'll change the steps here. Now what I'll do, I'll select this column again and I'll again go to the split column and by delimiter again. And from here, I'll go to this advanced options here. And from here, you can see it splits into columns here. Instead of columns, I'll select rows here and I'll click on OK. Now you can see we got rows here. And also you can see here, we got some spaces here, you can see, because from here you can see we got the average comma, then we have space. That's why we got space also. So we need to remove this space also. I'll select this column and I'll right click on it and I'll select transform option, and from here I'll select trim options. So what this trim does, it will remove any extra spaces here. So we got removed here. Now what I'll do, I'll remove this cost and price also, because we have duplicate entries also for, let's say, that is okay. We have two entries for the product code. Yeah, you can see here for the product code FDP 79, we got two entries here. If you do aggregations of this cost and price, then it will be wrong result. So I'll delete this and this also. Now what I'll do, we have product code and rating here, and we have products here in this products table. We have product code and rating here. Now what I'll do, I'll join these two tables based on this product code. So we have unique records in product code here, and I'll join one to many relationship between these two tables. So what I'll do, I'll click on close and apply here, and so it should be loading here. Yeah, we got it. Now I'll go to this model view, and from here I'll create a relationship here. You can see, so this is product codes, this products. So products code, product code. This should be one to many relationship. You can see one to many relationship. It's fine. Now what I'll do, I'll go to this report view, and let's create a visualization. So what I'll do, I'll create a, let's say, a bar chart, and let's add some fields here. Let's say product code, and I want the product code also here. Sorry, I want the rating here. Do want rating here, and I want the count of rating here. Yeah. Let's quickly format this first. Let's increase, let's say, uh, x-axis values. Let's say 15 maybe. It's 20. Let's make it bold here. Uh, let's say 15. And let's do this for y-axis also. Let's say 15 and make it bold. So we can see we got the rating here. So you can see we got good, average, bad, and excellent, and okay. So that's we got. Now what I want is, I want the sorting also. That is, I want this excellent to be placed here on the top. Then I want good. Then I want okay. Then I want average, and then I want bad. Now let's see how we can do this. We already done this in a previous video, that is custom sorting videos. Now what I'll do, I'll create a new table here, that is having this ratings here, these ratings. Now what I'll do, I'll go to this enter data option, and from here I'll create my new table. I'll say this is my sorting tbl, and let's create two columns here. And this is first column is rating column, and this is my sorting column. And let's make the sorting number as 1 2 3 4 and 5. Then for the first, I want excellent to be placed. Then I want good. Then I want okay. Then I want average. Then the last is bad. I'll click on load. I can see we got the sorting table here. Now we need to create a relationship between these two tables. That is, I want to create a relationship between this products ratings fix and this sorting table. I'll go to this modeling view, and from here you can see, so this is got related. So we have relationship between these two. So I'll delete this, and you can see, so the Power BI is smart enough to identify this as a one to many relationship. Here you can see this is a rating, then Procuria. That's correct. Now what I'll do, I'll go to this table view, And let's see what we have here. So we got this, and on the here we have a rating here. That's fine. Now what I want is I want to sort this rating column based on this sorting column. Now to get this column, so we made a relationship as a one to many relationship, that is from sorting table one to many relationship between this products rating fix here. So now we are in a many side here, so we can use related function to get this sorting column. Now let's create a new column here. So I'll click on new column here, and from here let's name this as, let's see, let's say sorting. Yeah, sorting, just I'll say sorting. And from here we can use related function here. You can see what it does. It returns a related value from another table. So I want the sorting column. So why we are not getting this sorting? Let's see, maybe we made a mistake here in this modeling options. So we'll go here. So this product code, so we have product unique product codes here. So we have one to many relationship, that's fine. And from here we have one to many relationship here. So I'll delete this first, then I'll track this rating and drop it here. So I want the cross filter single, yes. I'll click on save. Now let's try here. I'll click on new column here, and let's name this again as a sorting column. And here again I'll use related function. You can see now we can access that. So we use sorting table, the sorting column. I'll click on enter here. I can see we got the sorting column here. Now what I'll do, I'll select this rating column and I'll select the sort by column, and I'll say sort by the sorting column. Now I'll click on report view. Now let's try to refresh this. We are not getting this. Let's see. Now what I'll do, I'll deselect it and try to select it again. This rating and this rating count also. Yeah, now you can see. So we have excellent first, then we have good, then we have okay, then we have average, and then we have bad. This is how we can solve third challenge, that is counting of customer rating and the custom sorting also. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed in this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.